Let me start with the definition of a smart room. The smart room is an ecosystem of technology and clinical experiences that bring to life a better clinical experience and patient experience. A smart room includes a virtual care platform that is open and includes AI capabilities, applications, and various peripheral devices that work together to improve how the clinician engages with patients. A smart room includes deep integration with the EHR, leveraging different tools like the TV in the room, whiteboards, digital signage, as well as various patient monitoring devices, and bringing those to life along with the data that is captured in the EHR, including labs, patient history, as well as any patient imaging experiences. Bringing this all together in a smart room allows the patient to have the data that they need and the clinicians to be able to explain and leverage that data to deliver the best care possible. In addition, a smart room must include the eyes and ears that are in the room when the nurse or the clinical staff cannot be there. Computer vision allows us to see and track and understand what's happening with the patient when someone is not in the room. It can be leveraged to monitor the room and assist the patient from things like falls and elopement, improving pain point and pressure point care, as well as driving better adherence and security for patients and clinical staff. In addition, you have ambient listening. This is extremely popular for physician workflows, but with the eyes and ears in the room, now all clinical staff can leverage ambient listening to be hands-free and to care out loud for the patient, allowing them to speak and talk to the patient without being stuck behind a computer monitor, and letting that capture and work for them, reducing the amount of hours that they have to spend after their shift is done, documenting all the patient engagement steps that they had throughout the day. A smart room is very valuable to the clinical team, but ultimately is going to deliver the best patient experience and allowing us to improve the return on investment of the technology that you have invested in. Why is a smart room important now? It's critically important because we can deliver an ecosystem of various enhanced technologies, new applications, peripheral devices, and bring that all together that helps reduce costs, reduce the burden of time of clinical staff, and improve patient experience. As there continues to be staff shortages, at the same time, technology is advancing, making it possible to bring this great technology together and make a smart room a reality today. AvaSure's platform is built to be open. This is important and matters to healthcare system because the pace of change is not slowing down. It will continue to increase and never be as slow as it is today. So why it's important to have an open platform is it allows you to bring the greatest technology advances and capabilities to the hospital system without having to continue to reinvest the time of important and critical IT resources, as well as clinical workflow design and changes over and over again. As the continuation of cost and pressure and time and the increase of patients, it is critically important that you invest in an open platform that will not only serve your healthcare needs today, but will serve you in the future as technology continues to innovate and drive better care. What should a healthcare system look for in a smart room vendor? First, you need a partner that has experience in implementation. Complex implementations. Smart Room requires us to understand and be able to scale across multiple departments within a complex technology ecosystem. It is very important that you have a vendor that has worked across a healthcare system, across multiple departments, and understands the technology impact and integration that's required to enable this technology. Another important element that you must consider when choosing a smart room vendor is what is their clinical expertise. Changing to a workflow which includes innovative technology and virtual care capabilities requires change management, complex knowledge of care workflows, and the ability to increase and improve adoption of this technology across the clinical teams. This includes training, adoption rates, as well as utilization, showing the value and the ROI that you get overall. And finally, you should have a vendor that has a strong, proven customer success organization that can support you not only through implementation, but each and every day as you utilize the systems for years to come. This organization should be engaged, helping guide you as to what the newest technology is, the value of that technology, and how it's going to help you improve cost, clinician engagement, and patient experience.